Welcome guys. In the previous video we watched what is the Dalton's atomic theory, law of chemical combination, and also we saw what is an atomic radius. So today we are going to see how do atoms exist. Basically we know that the smallest unit of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction is an atom. Now there are all in 118 elements known to us at present, out of which 90 occur naturally and the others are man-made. So basically atoms exist in two forms, in the form of molecules and the ions. So we are going to see what are these molecules and their chemical formula. What is a molecule? What is an atom? What is a molecule? And what is the characteristics of a molecule? What is atomicity? What is monoatomic? All these terms we are going to see today. So first of all, we will define what is a molecule. Molecule, as we know, is the smallest unit of a compound. Smallest unit of a compound. Molecule, as we know, is the smallest unit of a compound. Right. Now, the smallest particle of an element or a compound which can exist freely under ordinary condition and show all the properties of that substance is called a molecule. Right? Nathan, what is the characteristic of a molecule? What are the characteristics? Characteristics of a molecule. First of all, a molecule is electrically neutral. Electrically neutral group of two or more atoms. Of two or more atoms. Right. Then molecules can exist in free state because they are energetically stable. Can exist in free state because they are electrically stable. Then molecules can be formed either by the combination of atoms of the same element, can be formed by the atoms of same element or different element. Right, same or different element. And then the number of atoms of all the elements. Then we define a new term, that is atomicity. What is atomicity? Now, the number of atoms of all the elements, in a molecule, number of atoms of all the elements in a molecule of a substance is called its atomicity. For example, atomicity of a molecule, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, and so on. Right. For example, the molecules of noble gases contain only one atom. Right. For example, we have helium. So it has only, its atomicity is 1. Neon, its atomicity is 1. Argon, 1. And krypton, 1. Okay, so first of all, we see that atomicity is the number of atoms of all the elements that is present in a molecule of a substance is known as its atomicity. Okay, now if we see for the molecules of gases. For example, like hydrogen, oxygen, all these are diatomic. You see the molecules of gases, H2, we write H2, we write N2, O2, all these are gases, and therefore you can see H2 is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms, so its atomicity is 2. Nitrogen is formed by 2 atoms of nitrogen, so its atomicity is 2. Same here, oxygen is also 2 because it is made up of 2 atoms. Okay, so 2 atoms, one hydrogen and another hydrogen, nitrogen and nitrogen, they form, the atomicity is 2. Okay, so this is the diatomic molecules of the elements. Then we can have, hope you are noting down all this. So we will see then third is the molecules, both the molecules of water and carbon dioxide. Then it is possible that we have the atomicity of the same molecules of the same element or molecules of the different element. For example, we have water. Here water is made of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom, right? So what is the atomicity of here? It is triatomic because it has 3 atoms. Similarly, carbon dioxide, it is having 2 oxygen and 1 carbon, so it is also triatomic. Then we have ammonia. It has 1 nitrogen and it has 3 hydrogen, so it is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. How much? It is tetratomic. Right. P4, it is tetratomic. Right. So all this, the number of all the elements in a molecule of a substance is known as its atomicity. I hope this is clear to you. Alright. So in the next video, we will see what is chemical formula, what is molecular formula, and we will learn how to write the chemical formula for ionic compounds and for simple compounds. Hope you have understood what is the molecule and the atomicity. If you like my channel, kindly like and subscribe it. Thank you.